Prepare yourselves as we are about to reveal 11 profound tips on step stools for seniors. Let us embark upon your path to mastery, just at this very moment. Tip 1. Consider the stability of the step stool. Before you make your purchase, check to ensure that the stool is steady on the ground and won't easily topple over. With seniors being risk-prone to falls, a wobbly stool can cause more harm than good. Models with non-slip rubber feet are popular because they ensure the stool remains immovable when in use. Tip 2. Check for handrails and hand grips. For most seniors, getting onto the step stool is a challenge and safety concern. To make it safer and more comfortable for them, opt for a step stool equipped with handrails or grips for extra support. Tip 3. Decide on the correct height. The number of steps on the stool should be appropriate for the height your senior needs to reach. Remember, the aim is to reduce the risk of falling, therefore buying a stool that is too high could potentially lead to a serious accident. Tip 4. Consider a step stool with non-slip steps. Non-slip surfaces provide extra traction and prevent the foot from insidiously sliding off the step, which could lead to severe injury. Tip 5. Prioritize durable and robust construction. When choosing a step stool for seniors, ensure it's made of sturdy and long-lasting material that can sustain the user's weight without breaking or bending. Tip 6. Choose the right weight capacity. Each step stool has a specific weight limit. Always check to ensure the step stool you buy can comfortably support the user's weight to guarantee safety. Tip 7. Portability is key. The step stool should be light enough to be moved around the house with ease. However, lightweight shouldn't compromise the stool's sturdiness and stability. Tip 8. Easy assembly. If the step stool requires assembly upon purchase, it should be easy to assemble. Complicated assembly could risk the step stool being not put together correctly, compromising safety. Tip 9. Non-marring legs. To keep your floors safe and free from scratches, look for step stools with non-marring legs. They protect your floors from damages, especially if the stool frequently changes position. Tip 10. Consider overall comfort. Since seniors might need to stand on the step stool for some time, it should be comfortable. Padded steps can help ease pressure points and make standing for prolonged periods more tolerable. Tip 11. Consider investing in a step stool with anti-tip safety design. This is a feature that prevents the stool from tipping over, offering added security for seniors dealing with balance issues. This design also offers better overall support when the senior is climbing on or off the step stool.